There's lots to do on a Disney cruise ship for kids and adults alike. In this video, we want to show you the kids clubs that are available on the Disney Fantasy. Each of Disney's cruise ships will have these same kids clubs, but the theming might be a little different from ship to ship. It's a Small World Nursery is for kids 6 months to 3 years old. It is the only kids club that does require reservations and has a small hourly fee. The Oceaneer Lab and the Oceaneer Club are for kids ages 3 to 10. The first time kids visit the Oceaneer Lab or the Oceaneer Club, they'll be given a special magic band to allow them to check in and out. If you don't want to keep this souvenir and be charged for it, make sure you return it by the last night of your cruise. No reservations are required, and kids ages 8 and up can be given the permission to check themselves in and out. A kid favorite is the giant floor game board. Make sure to check your Navigator app for special activities that go on in these clubs, like Pluto's Pajama Party, where Pluto comes and the kids can decorate pillowcases that they get to keep. Over on the Oceaneer Club side, kids can visit immersive rooms like Star Wars Command Post, Pixie Hollow, Marvel Superhero Academy, and Andy's Room. Would your kids love one of these clubs? Reach out using the link below and schedule a complimentary consultation, and we'll help find the perfect cruise for you. Tweens ages 11 to 13 can go to Edge, located in the forward funnel. When they first check in, they'll be given a team, either heroes or villains, and all the activities that they do during the week will earn points for their side. Vibe is a special club for teens ages 14 to 17. There's a secret staircase located on Deck 4 that brings them up to Deck 5 and a space that's all their own. There's lots of inside space, but one of the coolest features of Vibe is a private pool for just these teens.